What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick update here. Just we're starting a new project here. The DBXL is pretty much done. So we picked up a 5B buggy kit from DDM maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was thinking about just building it straight up using all the parts in the kit and like throwing some different tires on it. I wasn't decided on the ESC or motor. I did come across a good deal on a Mamba XLX2, and I already had an 800 kV motor laying around, so we're probably going to throw those in there. But also, I decided against just building the kit. We're going to put the 5T suspension on there, so it's going to have wider arms and stiffer springs. I end up getting the FLM axles for the 5T, springs off the 5T, some 50 weight shock oil, 5T turnbuckles, and we got the FLM Forever Drive Cup kit because we're going to bash on this thing and we want it to last. So it's going to be beef. We also got this pretty cool motor mount. It came from Germany. You can see the websites right there, rccaronline.de. And what's cool about this is, so first off, this plate bolts to your chassis. You can see the thing's pretty thick. It's some beef. Once that's on there, the motor bolts to this on the front, and also this ring right here clamps around the back of the motor, which is kind of cool. The side that's not supported, this will be clamped around it. So that thing's gonna be super beef. We'll be able to bash the heck out of this car. It's gonna be cool. But yeah, you know, like everything, I can't leave anything stock, so it's gonna be all pimped out. Bunch of metal parts, and we got the TLR and 5B brushless conversion kit. Those are pretty hard to find. And that's about it. Got a receiver for it. Just gonna run it with my Futaba radio, and we should probably have this done in like 2 weeks. I just started a new job, but I really want to get this car on the road and see what it can do. I guess stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.